straightforward to study vowel A. So vowel A, exercise 1, listening. What you are going to do, you're going to tell you some words and you are going to write them. I'm going to use the sound A, and at the same time I'm going to use the sound A. There are going to be many sounds that you already know in English. So try to write what you understand. We have 6 words here and I'm going to start. The first word is amo. Amo. Second word is amas. Amas. Third word is la. La. Word 4, pan. Pan. Word 5, barata. Barata. Word 6, para. Para. Okay, if you need to listen again, you can pause this video, go back, try to listen again. I'm going to show you now the answers, okay? So the answers are here. Word 1, amo, amo. You see, that's the sound we want to teach you. Amo. And then the word 2 is amas. I love, you love. Word 3 is la. Very important in Spanish, la. Word 4, pan. Word 5, barata. Word 6, para. So here you can see the equivalent in English. Don't worry, I mean, you can memorize them if you want. The point with these words are, why did we choose specifically these words? Because they're common in Spanish, they're useful, you would see when we start making sentences. And you would see that they are also targeting the sound A and sounds that you already know as PR in English. So that's the point for the vowel A. Amo, amo. Yeah, get used to it. Again, if you actually need to work a little more, this happens to be hard for you, you can take the audios that we have provided and listen to them while you are jogging or you're commuting to your job. So okay, we keep going with this. Next one is speaking. So for the speaking part, we're gonna have a conversation. It's gonna be very easy. What we're gonna just do, it's you who's going to read these sentences. I'm going to choose A and you're gonna choose B. Okay? So I say, amo la pizza. ¿Tú amas la pizza? And then you respond. Very good. You should have pronounced this B part as amo la pizza. That's how it should sound. Again, if you don't have a teacher, if you have a teacher, try to work with this with them and they will check your pronunciation, or your language partner, if they have committed to help you. That could be also useful to try to work this out with them. Then we are going to continue to the next vowel, is vowel U, and we're going to do the same thing as we did with vowel A. We are going to